The complete guide to building construction, step by step. Ever wondered how a building goes from just an idea to a fully functional structure? Today, we're taking you through the step-by-step process of construction, ensuring industry standards every step of the way. Let's get started. Step 1, Planning and Design. The first step in any construction project is planning and design. Architects and engineers work together to create detailed plans, ensuring compliance with zoning laws, environmental regulations, and safety codes. Using software like AutoCAD and Revit, professionals create 3D models and detailed schematics, optimizing space and efficiency. Step 2, Site Preparation and Excavation. Once the designs are finalized and permits obtained, it's time to prepare the site. This includes clearing vegetation, leveling the ground, and setting out the foundation layout. Excavation follows, digging trenches for foundations while ensuring soil testing and compaction meet geotechnical standards. Step 3, Foundation work. The foundation is the most crucial part of any structure. Depending on the building type, this could be a shallow foundation, like strip or raft, or a deep foundation, like pile or pier. Reinforced concrete and waterproofing techniques ensure stability and durability. Step 4, Structural framing. With the foundation set, it's time for the skeleton of the building. Structural framing includes steel, concrete, or timber frameworks that provide shape and strength. At this stage, engineers check load distribution and stability, ensuring the structure adheres to seismic and wind load standards. Step 5, Roofing and exterior work. Next, we install the roof, choosing materials like metal sheets, tiles, or asphalt shingles based on climate and design. This step includes waterproofing and insulation to protect against extreme weather. Exterior walls and cladding are then added, giving the building its aesthetic look while enhancing insulation and durability. Step 6, Plumbing, Electrical and HVAC installation. Now comes the installation of essential utilities, plumbing, electrical systems, and HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Ensuring adherence to national electrical and plumbing codes is key for safety and efficiency. Step 7, Interior finishing and fixtures. As we near completion, the interior work begins, drywall installation, painting, flooring, and ceiling work. Cabinets, doors, and windows are also fitted. This phase brings personality to the building, with modern finishes enhancing the aesthetics. Step 8, Landscaping and final touches. The final step includes landscaping and exterior work, such as paving driveways, installing sidewalks, and planting greenery to improve curb appeal. Step 9, Inspection and handover. Before handing over the building, final inspections are conducted to ensure everything meets safety and construction codes. Once approved, the project is complete, and the building is ready for use. And that's it. From blueprint to reality, this is how buildings are constructed with precision and standards. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of construction.